Alright guys, we are at the Desmond Hotel located near the Albany International Airport. It's going to be great if you're traveling near Albany, Schenectady for any jiu-jitsu tournaments or any kind of events or conventions in the area. Alright, so this room, Edie, what was this called?
This is the duplex suite that has an upstairs and a downstairs. The downstairs section is mainly living area and I guess what you would consider a mini bar without the bar. Little kitchenette, if you will. And then the upstairs is mainly sleeping, relaxation area. There is a half bathroom down here and a full bathroom upstairs. 2 entrances through the hotel, one from the outside, private entrance.
Over here we actually have a full kitchenette. See what kind of utilities we got. Some of the previous places like the Residence Inn have fully supplied their drawers, which these don't actually look like.
These aren't real drawers.
They're not?
Rats.
So there's actually no utensils in this one, no hot plate or anything like that for cooking. However, there is a microwave, which is something we haven't had at a few others. I do also like the lighting above. Some of the little gems up there. Now there's also window lit lighting, I should say. TV above the what would be a fireplace. Hallway entrance leads right out to the road. And going upstairs. Again, well taken care of bathroom. Hair dryer, towels freshly. Light up lamp or mirror. Closet in the hallway. There is an entrance outside as well. Human trafficking hotline. It's actually good that they're putting that in places now. Now you could get an adjoining room. Of course, a lot of hotels have that. With the master bedroom. Got a little chair. Drawers. Oh, there's a mini fridge upstairs as well. Look at that. Very nice. So I'm going to imagine the couch downstairs is a pull-out couch. You could probably bring family, share that. Have the kids downstairs, parents upstairs, their own space. Oh, got a lot of outlets on the side here. Same with the lamps. That's been kind of being added to a lot of places now. All right, and I'm back downstairs. We'll loop around and we'll show you guys the what this place has to offer. That is crazy. Let's actually walk around the center. That way we're not next to. So what's really cool about this place is they host a lot of events. I think they're just finishing up with one over there on the left, but it looks like the inside of a little village here, which is absolutely crazy.
And those rooms are actually rooms, so you can actually have a balcony looking down onto this like false simulated village. Let's go see the balcony. You want to pop your head in the banquet hall after?
No, because I'm not sure if we're done with the event or not.
Oh wow, we have actual fish in here. I didn't know that.
This may be the largest like hotel gym we've ever seen. The only thing this place is missing is like gym mats. You look to the left, you have the fireplace, which is actually really cool. The TRX system, weights, actually a full cardio equipment. Only reason we're not moving from this position is actually someone in the pool, which you can see from the lining over there. And I'm not trying to put them on the camera right now. So yeah, really beautiful facility. I wonder what rooms are up there with the balcony up there.
What?
Those top floors right there.
Yeah, I guess there's third floor rooms too.
Is this the amphitheater?
I would assume so.
Oh, this is for that Y event. Holy crap.
Wow.
Yeah. Get out of here before I start seeing old coworkers.
Beautiful piano.
Oh, wow.
Not marked though, so I don't know what kind it is.
Oh, it's locked.
It says Town Hall is down this way. I'm not sure if that is. This might be really involved actually. I think this is either.
Ceiling is crazy though in here.
I know, right?
I do love that they made the internal architecture look like a little town.